What's up, YouTube? Get him here for Chainsaw Man Chapter 93. Last chapter, bunch of cool stuff happened. We got, I can't remember. I did a double last week, so maybe I'm mixing the two chapters. But then you got kind of got like his consciousness back, and then he went into the room to call Benny, and he really got a realization of the fact that, he is wanted. You know what I mean? The people are supporting him. Like, people are behind him. And I'm really hoping that it changes his demeanor and his thought process, because, like, he felt worthless the whole time. You know what I mean? He was even saying in the last chapter how he already accomplished all his goals that he wanted to do when he was broke with Pochita. But now I think he's about to emerge and become the real Chainsaw Man with a conscience to, really get shit going. Anyway, I'm gonna go right into this, see what happens. Chainsaw Man t-shirts, 500 in. They're all praising me. Oh, hold on, I'm not. There we go. Chainsaw Man, go out with me. Oh my god, the ladies really love me. They totally love me. It's like good to see Denji like this. You know what I mean? Denji's never had it good, and then when he thought he did, it was Makima fucking, just treating him like a dog. Pipe down, will ya? The truth is, I'm tired of eating stuff like toast with jam for breakfast. What I really want is to eat steak for breakfast every morning. He's raising his dreams. I know I shouldn't. I know it's terrible, but it's the same when it comes to the girls too. Deep down, I want 5, no, 10 girlfriends. I want to have tons of sex. That's why I want to be Chainsaw Man. I mean, he never really had good what's the word I'm looking for? Like, not goals, but initiative or something. Like, he never really had high hopes, for a lot of shit. So, I mean, why not? Draw attention to yourself and draw attention to yourself and you're asking to get killed by Makima. She has keen ears. The next time you turn into Chainsaw Man is the day she kills you. They're all sleeping. He's just up watching it. I still want to be Chainsaw Man. How can I kill Miss Makima so that I can do that? She's not even an enemy I can beat by swinging my chainsaws around willy-nilly. In all this time I spent watching her and talking to her, there's got to be something that felt off. Think, Denji, think. Rack your crappy brain. So now he's actually thinking and strategizing, which I don't think he's ever done. God, it's no use. My turn 2 crap brains gotten even more jumbled than before. Oh, now you're thinking of all the happy times with Makima? I'm the worst. Even after what she did to me, I still like Miss Makima. Wait. Hold up. Is he just sitting? He's just waiting for her. Right? You look quite feeble now. Did you come here expressively to die for me? Miss Makima, in this ultra awesome perfect world you're gonna make, will there still be crappy movies? Why can't I read today? What is happening? Why have you turned back into Denji? Personally, I believe the world would be better if bad movies ceased to exist. I guess I gotta kill you then after all. Right then. This appearance of yours and the things you say are unworthy of Chainsaw Man. I find you disagreeable. Bro. So we're finally about to get the fight though, bro. Like, what? Man. Oh, what a filler chapter though. Like, that really... Nothing really crazy popped off there. I think this video is going to be like fucking 5 minutes long. If that. But, I mean, we're finally... we're finally gonna see actual Denji fighting against her, and like all the little devils she got wrapped around her finger. I don't know, man. I can't wait for it though. I've been waiting for this fight forever. I don't know, man. That was like a lame. I feel like that was a lame reaction on my part, but like I feel like there was nothing going on. But anyway, thanks for watching. I guess if you did, I'll be back next week.